Today I'm going to make a bracelet for all shapes and sizes. So today I'm going to make a bracelet using memory wire that can fit all shapes and sizes. So let's go over the tools and supplies you're going to need for today's project. You're going to need an adjustable chain. You're going to need some beads. You're going to definitely need some memory wire. You're going to need a memory wire cutter. You're going to need a memory wire bell shaping plier and a chain nose plier. Okay, so let's get started. So you're going to take some memory wire. You're going to cut half of a coil. So you're going to cut it about right here. And then you're going to take your memory wire bell shaping pliers and you're going to make a loop on one side, and then you're going to start adding your beads. Super, super easy. I'm going to add 5 beads, and then a spacer bead. You can use whatever beads you have or whatever design you want to do. This is a great bracelet to make if you need like a last minute birthday present or a gift for anyone, because it's so easy and anybody can wear it because you can adjust the size. I'm going to add my focal bead in the center and just repeat. So now you're at the end and you're just going to do the same loop that you did here over here. And if you have a little bit too much, you're just going to cut that off so that your loops are the same size. So I'm just going to cut off just a little bit of that and come over to this side and loop it under. So now it looks like this. And you take your adjustable chain and you're going to take your chain nose plier and you're just going to take that memory wire to the side and open that loop up. Slide on one side of your adjustable chain, bend that back, and do the same thing with the other side. Slide that on and close that up. And now you have a bracelet that can fit a little kid or an adult. So what's good about these is it's so easy to put on, you don't need any help, and you can stack them. So I make a bunch and stack them up, or you can give it to your best friend and do like best friends bracelets. But you just slide it on and you take these 2 little tails, and I hold it with one hand, and then you just slide it down and you've got your bracelet on. So let's go back over the tools and supplies you need to make this bracelet. You obviously need some memory wire because that's what you're using to string your beads on. You're going to need a chain nose plier to open and close your loops. You're going to need your memory wire cutter and your memory wire bell shaping plier. And you're also going to need your beads and your adjustable bracelet. If you want to pick up any of the supplies I used today, check out the links below. What stones are you going to use on your bracelet? Let us know in the comments, like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and we'll see you later.